Let's look into the world map and try to find out the four major latitudes, which are equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, and Antarctic Circle. So we will find out about this latitudes, from which countries do they pass from. So first of all, if we talk about the equator, so equator passes through the South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. So from which countries equator passes? So from the South America, the equator passes through Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, and if we talk about the African nations, so it passes through Gabon, Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, if I could zoom, yes, from the Uganda, from Kenya, also from Somalia, you can see here, and it also passes through Sumatra, Borneo, and Sulawesi, which is Indonesia, and also from the Malaysia. So the equator passes through this many countries. Now if we look up to the Tropic of Cancer, so Tropic of Cancer passes through the North America, this one, then it passes through Africa for sure, and from Asia also, this many countries. So let's look into from which countries does this Tropic of Cancer passes. So it passes from North America. The states, the countries are Mexico, then we have the Bahamas, and from the Africa it passes through Western Sahara, Mauritania, Mali, Algeria, somewhat like Niger, Libya, Egypt, and from the Arabian nation it passes through Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, here you can see, and from the like this Asia, so it passes from India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, China, Taiwan. So from this many countries the equator passes, the Tropic of Cancer passes. So now we will look into the Tropic of Capricorn. From which countries does it pass? So the countries are, you can see here, the South America, African nations, and Australia. So Tropic of Capricorn, so here you can see, wait, I can zoom it, yes, Tropic of Capricorn, let me zoom, Tropic of Capricorn. So it passes through Chile, Argentina, Paraguay, Brazil. These were the South American nations. Then from the Africa it passes to Namibia, Botswana, this is South Africa, Mozambique, and Madagascar, and Australia. Okay, so if you have noticed that if you can see the Tropic of Capricorn and the equator both passes from the Brazil. So this you can note it down. Now these are the countries and the latitudes we are aware of, but now we will look into the other two major latitudes, which are Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. So first the Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree north. So it passes through the USA, then the Oceania states, from the Europe, and the Asia, from the Russia is from Asia part. Okay, so the Arctic Circle passes through the American states, which are of this USA, Alaska, then Canada, the countries. Okay, then it passes through the Oceania state, which are Greenland, ठीक है, and the Iceland. Here you can see, if I can zoom. Yeah, so this is Iceland. Then it passes through the Europe countries, which are Norway, Sweden, Finland. And from the Asia, it passes through the Russia. You can see. So these were the countries which from which the Arctic Circle passes. Now if we talk about the Antarctic Circle, so it is mostly passed by the Antarctic only. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys.